What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have another video for you guys today, and today's video is going to be about we're going to be trying to fit these two in front of that right there. Okay, so we're going to figure something out. We don't have a lot of room up here in the front, on the tongue right there. So we're gonna move stuff around. We're gonna move the battery around. Maybe, just maybe, I can just fit them both right here. One right there and one right there. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna be able to fit just one right there. The second one is gonna have to go inside while we go out to the campsite. My goal is to make them both fit right there. And to do that, I'm gonna try to use these right here. These are Harbor Freight, so these are sturdy enough to hold the weight of those of the mini bikes. I'm gonna try. So this is gonna be another DIY project. Hopefully I can get it done, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay, so just watch me how I do it, or watch me how I try to do it, and I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed. So here we go. I'm gonna walk you through the process of what I'm thinking about doing. I have an idea how to make it work. Worst case scenario, one. Best case scenario, I'm gonna be able to put both of them there. Each one of those weigh like 115 pounds or so, 110 pounds. So it shouldn't be that much more weight. Yeah, so let's do this. So I try to fit both bikes on top of this, but I don't have enough room. So it's just gonna have to be one. I have to move, I move the battery box to the side in the middle there. One of them's gonna go here. The other one is gonna have to go inside. It is what it is. I don't have enough room. This thing is so tiny. This is exactly what we want. I mean, that's the size we were looking for. But I was really hoping that I was gonna be able to fit two mini bikes right here in the front. It's not gonna be possible. So I'm gonna bolt this down and I'm gonna test fit it. The good thing about it is that I don't have to do any drilling. I don't want to drill any holes onto the frame. Everything's gonna be clamped on with bolts and flat stock. I'll show you. So for now, just watch me what I do. All right, guys, here's an update. I mounted one of the plates on there. I tried to do both, but it didn't work. I ended up drilling, putting in one bolt right there, another one right there, another one right there, and another one right there. This thing is sturdy. It's not going anywhere. And on top of that, I installed those what are those, the eye bolts right there. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. So now it's time to test it, see if it's gonna hold, see if it's gonna look all right, see if I like it. So stay tuned. I will show you when the bike is loaded and strapped down. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so there it is. It's already mounted on the trailer and strapped down. I used a total of 5 tie downs straps. I used one this way, another one this way, 2 more on the back side, and then for extra security I used one here on the front wheel, and it looks good. Right there where the battery is, the battery box, Nothing is rubbing against that, as you can see right here. I have plenty of room back there, so there's nothing is rubbing against the battery tray. Okay, I just wanted to show you what it looks like after it's done. I looked on YouTube to get some ideas on how to do this, and I couldn't find anything. I found only one video showing a bigger trailer and like a bigger bike, but nothing like this, nothing this small of a travel trailer, and nothing for a mini bike. So I think this is gonna be the first on YouTube. I didn't see anything like this. So if you guys need any help, anything I can help you with, let me know. And here, there's plenty of room right there. It's not gonna touch. I decided to mount the bike tilted this way, so because I didn't want the handlebar to be anywhere close to the trailer there. I've got about 3 inches or so of room right there. You can see that. So let me know what you guys think. This was a simple DIY. Okay, if you guys have any questions, let me know. See you guys on the next one. Peace.